Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your Jis News for October 3. Government has secured a deal to keep Windalca's Yuaton bauxite plant open and save 600 jobs. Mining Minister Philip Paulwell announced in Parliament Tuesday that Windalca's parent company UC Rasal will invest $100 million to build a coal-fired electricity generating plant at Yuaton. Work should start next year and end in 2015, creating 300 more jobs while construction is underway. To facilitate the initiative, government has signed a concessionary agreement to waive the company's bauxite levy for a year. Tuesday's development quelled concerns over possible job losses after reports earlier this year that UC Rasal had planned to close the plant. Meanwhile, Minister Paulwell has also announced that government has no plans to abandon its long-stated intention to introduce liquefied natural gas LNG. The minister told Parliament Tuesday that the administration had every intention of introducing the product to the Jamaican market by the year 2015. He said the administration was still convinced that natural gas was a viable option for Jamaica's energy mix, but asserted that after recent LNG bidding outcomes, government has had to modify its role to ensure that it's delivered to consumers at the best price.
It is a considered view of the government that the electricity and alumina producers would have much more flexibility in the procurement of fuel supplies and could use their international leverage to get the best possible prices. Government, therefore, will remove itself from the process of fuel source selection and instead focus on creating the legislative and regulatory framework which we aim to establish and promulgate during this fiscal year.
He announced that the LNG Steering Committee will now be disbanded and replaced with a body that includes members of his ministry, the Jamaica Energy Council, and the OUR. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil is reiterating the need for industry players to use cost-effective energy solutions in their businesses. The minister, who toured the eco-village at Sandals Montego Bay recently, said energy strategy should form part of each entity's environmental management policy.
Seriously consider plans to implement energy solutions in a manageable form that will allow you to monitor the performance and provide real readings on the effect on your bottom lines.
Government and trade unions representing the police have now agreed to a number of benefits in lieu of a salary increase for the 2010-2012 contract period. The heads of agreement, which was signed on Tuesday, provides for a number of benefits, including a medical emergency fund, an income replacement fund, and a scholarship program. It also establishes a pension program for district constables.
We want to ask that the matters that are agreed on, that they are addressed or attempt to address where practical at the earliest possible time so that we can access the benefits.
Finance, Planning and Public Service Minister Dr. Peter Phillips and other government officials thanked the police groups for their understanding. The officers have joined a number of public sector workers who previously committed to foregoing a salary increase for the 2010-2012 contract period due to the country's economic challenges. Minister of State for Transport Works and Housing, Richard Azan, says all is in place for the construction of a new multi-billion-dollar bridge for the Kintyre community in St. Andrew. The bridge, which was first damaged by Hurricane Gilbert in 1988, was further wrecked by flood rains on the weekend. Now, Minister Azan, who toured the site Tuesday, has assured that the $100 million project will get underway this month or early next month.
As soon as the weather pattern improves, that we can be able to start. The funding is in place, the bridge part is here for us to start.
He says the project will also include river training work to protect the integrity of the structure. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund has built and handed over 100 bathroom facilities to several corporate area communities under Phase 2 of the Petrocaribe Sanitation Project. The project was financed through the Petrocaribe Development Fund at a cost of $109.59 million, with communities contributing $12.1 million of the total.
A group of young persons will also be trained to receive training in plumbing skills, and this will not only provide them with marketable skills, but also provide each community with the designated persons to assist in the maintenance of these units.
And that's it for Jis News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.